Now we are doing the worksheet, right?
না স্যার আজকে আপনি এক্সাম কোশ্চেন এক্সপ্লেইন করবেন বলেছিলেন
We will discuss that one. Before that, let us finish the worksheet. Some of the questions were left. Those we are discussing. After that, we will discuss because it will take only 10 minutes to discuss all these, the rest of the questions. We did till 7, right? Yesterday. Hello.
7 নাকি আরো বেশি ছিল না
We did till 7 yesterday. Aisha.
The second worksheet है.
Yeah, this one we did till 7, right? Yesterday discussion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we are going the rest of the. We have only 3 questions here left. Check out this one, 8. Question 8. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Okay, Moshi, you read.
yes sir which unit measures the energy input to an electrical appliance sir এটা হবে হচ্ছে
say electrical appliance.
electrical appliance sir এর অ্যানসারটা হবে হচ্ছে kilowatt hour, right?
Yes, excellent. So yesterday's class you got this idea, right? That the unit of energy is joule, but it can be watt second, it can be watt hour also, because if you multiply watt with second, it comes joule. How? Watt means joule per second, right?
Yes sir.
And joule per second multiplied by second, second will be cut, then it is joule. That means if you multiply the unit of power and unit time, then you will get the unit of energy. Clear?
Yes,
so this is one way to write that we are writing for, electrical bill. Every month we are getting the electric bill. For that one we are using this unit, kilowatt hour. As we are using huge amount of energy, that's why we are using here kilowatt. Kilo means 1000. The next, Moshe, continue the next one.
An electric lamp is marked 0.5A. It is connected to a socket marked 30A maximum. Which fuse is best to use in the lamp? 0.5A, 3A, 30A, 40A. The answer.
Okay, before going to the answer, let me discuss a little bit about the rating of fuse. That in which appliance, how much fuse rating we should use. Look, there are 2 values here given. One is for electric lamp and it is marked 0.5 amperes, and there is another value given. It is connected to a socket marked 30 ampere maximum. So here, which one we will deal with, 0.5 ampere or 30 ampere? We should first identify that one. Look, we use fuse to protect the appliances, right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And our appliance is here lamp, not the electric socket. Because socket, you can use the lamp, you can use a fan, you can use a refrigerator, many things you can use. That's why in socket we need a maximum current, like maximum range, and we don't use fuse to protect this socket. Okay, we use the fuse to protect the lamp. Clear to you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So yes, tell me. Yeah.
0.5A.
Now
0.5
we will decide later on which one will be, appropriate one. Look, our lamp is marked 0.5 ampere, and this is written 0.5, 3 ampere, 30 ampere, 40 ampere. Normally, we give a fuse of more than the appliance, marked rating. The appliance is marked 0.5 ampere, then we'll have to give it a little bit or slightly greater than the value written in the appliance. Clear to you? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And
Okay.
here if it was not given 3 ampere, it was given only 1 ampere, then it could be also accepted. Okay. And if it is
Yes,
2 ampere, it can be also accepted, but it should be little bit or slightly greater than the rating given in the appliance.
Aisha, এটা কি তোর phone?
Clear to you?
আমার ফুল না।
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this one, if you want to get more details, I uploaded the notes also long back. I uploaded the notes. Look, here also I'm sharing the notes.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam. How are you?
Fine,
Kareem.
sir. Yes, sir.
What you are seeing now?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, you'll see. Wait. You are seeing nothing. Hmm. Now you
Yes,
can
sir.
see anything? What?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
21, 21, 2019 সবগুলো দেখছি, sir. Studied on practical electricity class.
Okay, wait.
One of your folders in the computer.
Now?
No,
Not yet.
sir. We at is same thing, sir.
স্যার
Okay.
চেঞ্জ হলে আমরা বলে দেব।
Okay. Now, fuse rating.
Yes, sir.
3.
Okay. So check here the notes, the study materials I uploaded. Even yesterday I uploaded again this one. What is fuse? How the fuse is working? Here everything is written. Okay. A fuse is a safety device which is made of a piece of copper wire. If a fault occurs and too much current flows, the fuse wire melts before anything else is damaged or starts a fire. So this way, look, I gave one numericals to understand that which fuse rating we should use. Here, can you see the example? Here.
Yes, sir.
The fuse rating is the maximum current that the fuse can carry without melting. Only certain values are available. For example, 5 ampere. They did not give here 3 ampere, but that can be 3 ampere also. 5 ampere, 13 ampere, 15 ampere, 30 ampere. Okay, example. An electrical fan has a rating of 460 watt on 230 volt mains. What rate of fuse should be fitted in the plug? P equals V into I. So our power is given, voltage is given. We are going to find the current. So then I comes P by V, 460 by 230, 2 amps. Therefore, a 3 ampere fuse should be fitted. The fuse rating should be slightly larger than the working current of an appliance under normal operations. So it's the main thing. You see, I gave in italic this sentence. You should go
স্যার
through the notes.
তাহলে তো
Everything is available in notes. If you just go through, you see circuit breakers, then live wire, neutral wire, earth wire we discussed yesterday. These are available here. Wiring mains plug safely, then earthing metal cases. Yesterday we also discussed that electric kettle, why we are earthing it. If it has a metal surface, upper surface or the outer surface, then if there is plastic covering, we do not need the earthing, or we do not need the 3-pin plug. That 2-pin plug is enough if the appliance has plastic covering. Like I have now with me one charger fan, and the charger fan has plastic covering above it. So I don't need here 3-pin plug or any earth wire. Here only two live wire and neutral wire. That's enough. 2-pin socket is enough. So the appliance which has plastic covering, we say that one it has double insulation. It's written here. Double insulation means that user is protected from electric shock by two independent layers of insulation. Here I gave example. Here this iron has plastic covering. You see, this type of appliance we do not need any 3-pin plug. Okay, do you understand, Moshe?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you. So these all are given in the notes. You just go through, read once, twice, thrice. If you don't understand, let me know. Okay, I think you will understand. It's written in very easy, sentences, easy wording. You will understand this all. Now let's go to the next question. Which one we are discussing? This one. What you are saying now, Moshe?
Survey.
The question
answer.
paper.
Yeah. So question 9. What should be the answer?
B.
Question 9. What should be the answer?
Sir, it should be B.
It should be B, because
B.
what is marked in the lamp, it should be little bit greater than the
But
rating
it's
in
too
the
much,
lamp.
sir.
But in the
Sir,
options, I told you that in the options, if it was given other than this 30 ampere or 40 ampere, if it was given 1 ampere, 2 ampere, then we could uh, take 1 ampere first. Okay, as they gave 30 ampere, 40 ampere, in comparison to that one, 3 is more appropriate. That's why we are taking this one. Clear now? Hello.
Sir.
Okay, now uh, Aisha, please read 10. Question 10.
An immersion heater is labeled 24 volt, 120 watt. What is the current in the heater when it is connected to a 24 volt supply?
Okay, so you calculate it, then tell me the answer. Do the working, everyone, then tell me the answer.
0.2A.
You do the working
Sir, I did
using the
this.
formula.
Sir, B is equal to IV.
Sir, B. Sir, B. I think B.
B, yes, very good. How B? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. 120 divided by 24, sir. Simple.
Yeah, power by voltage, right? We are going to find the current.
Yes, sir.
That's why I
Yes, sir.
will be I equals P by V. So it will be 5
Yes, sir.
amperes.
B. Yes, sir.
So all the MCQs are done. Now we have a
Okay, sir.
structured part, and structured part are also very simple. You see, what is the purpose of live wire? Yesterday we discussed what is the purpose. Explain why neutral wire is needed, and there are some, questions related to fuse. Already we discussed, and all these are available in the mark scheme. The answers are available there. Just go through. You will be able to understand and solve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look. they are saying you to calculate the resistance. If you are given the voltage, you are given the current, you can find the resistance. They are saying you to find the power. If you know the voltage, if you know the voltage, you know the current, then you can find the power, right?
Yes.
Hello, respond,
Yes,
respond.
sir. Sir,
Yeah,
করছি
Sir,
তো স্যার।
yes. This way they are asking you some questions, very easy questions. How to find the electrical energy in MCQ part. Yesterday we discussed E equals VIT, that formula, and here we have already power, so the formula should be E equals P into T, right? This way we can find the electrical energy. So everyone try it. They who, or I know you, some of you already tried, but some of you did not try it. So they who did not try it, you should try it. And mark scheme available, check with the mark scheme. You will be able to understand. Now the revision is over. Okay,
Sir,
revision
question
work is
I
over
will discuss.
about the question pattern. First of all,
Eh?
from your side, I want to know that your expectation, what type of questions you want.
Easy questions.
Easy questions, okay. Any other, any other criteria
MCQ
that you want?
based.
What? MCQ based. Okay, then Jiva,
And the
Too much calculation.
you want too much calculation.
not too
No,
much,
too
not
much
too much
calculation.
calculations.
Okay, you
Not
want less calculation.
yes, so that in
Yes.
2 or 3 steps we can just complete it.
Okay, I only heard from Masroor, Aisha. Karim,
Sir, I said that
what?
the
What you said?
calculation one. The calculation was said by me, sir.
Yeah, you said you don't want calculation.
I mean, calculations are okay, but 2 to 3 steps are too much.
Okay, you don't want so much difficult, right? You want easier
Yes, sir.
calculations. Like this one, 10, question 10, so that you can do
Yes,
it
sir.
easily. Okay, but not complicated one.
Just
The one,
completed in the second step, that's all.
yeah, you don't want like resistivity one, too much complicated, that one.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then what about Yakin Sajjad? What you want?
Sir,
Yakin,
make the question like normal format, not the O-level format.
okay, so what do you mean by normal format?
Normal format means easy, and O-level has mixed, like easy, medium, and hard.
So you also want easier questions, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that you out of 20
আমার ভাই লাগস ভাই ভাই
you can get also 20, right?
Yes,
At
sir.
least 19.
Okay, what about Ziba? Ziba,
সবকিছুই ঠিক আছে না ভাই তোর জন্য?
I don't really care, sir.
এই তো বললাম না সবকিছু ঠিক
I was
আছে।
just expecting that, sir.
Ziba,
No more expectations.
you
from
say your one, that what you want. You want difficult or easier, numericals, not numericals. What you want?
তার হতে পারলে এখনই ও লেভেল দিয়ে আসে।
Okay. So Karim, you send the participants information in the group, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. নেওয়া হয়ে গেছে।
Now from okay, I understood from your side. I understood that what you want. I already made the question relate, with the MCQ and structured part. But if you want this way, then I make all the MCQs again. Make the
Yes, sir.
make the
Make
question
all the
paper again.
MCQs.
Yes sir, yes sir. Sure sir,
You
why not?
cannot finish the structure part in time.
Sorry, loudly, please.
You cannot finish the structured part in time.
Okay, you also want the MCQ, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what
And
about?
sir, make it easier also, please.
Okay. So if I give you easier structured part, any problem?
So like one line answer is okay.
Structure padding.
Yes, one
I
line
can't do
answer is
structure
okay.
of questions.
Hmm. Okay. Do you have any more questions from me
No, sir.
or anything else you want to
Sir,
know?
exam
No, sir.
কোথায় দিব?
Google
Exam,
Classroom.
yeah, Google Classroom. Yes, good question
How?
and answer is also good. How? Yakin Sajjad, do you have any idea how?
We have, কারণ
No,
আমি
sir.
কোচিং এর mock দিয়েছি।
You don't have any idea.
I have, sir. সিম্পল, আপনি কোশ্চেন আপলোড করবেন, আমরা ওটাকে ডাউনলোড করব অথবা দেখে নিব, সুন্দর মতো এরপরে যাব, ওটাকে সলভ করব, আপনাকে মেল করে পাঠিয়ে দিব শেষ।
Okay, so
এত কিছু করা লাগবে একটা এক্সাম দেওয়ার জন্য? হ্যাঁ কপাল, এক্সাম দিয়ে লাভ
হ্যাঁ
কি?
সিরিয়াসলি
তুই
এটাই
দিস
করতে
না।
হবে, আমার কোনো
এগুলো
না
নিতে হবে
দিলেও
এক্সাম
পাস
দেওয়া
হয়ে
যায় না?
okay,
আরে
it's
ভাই ওই এক্সাম না দিলে
listen,
2020
it's not only for physics, right? It's for other subjects also, that how the exam will be held, or what will be the way to take the exams. Better to make one tutorial for you, right, for all the subjects, isn't it? So that you can understand, yes, these are the ways we will take part in the exams, and we will answer this way, and how we will submit. All the process will be given there, yeah, in the tutorial.
Actually 40 আচ্ছা এক্সামটা 40 মিনিটস এক্সাম হবে না?
No, our one is 30 minutes. 20 marks,
আচ্ছা
30
যদি
minutes.
30 মিনিটের মধ্যে কোশ্চেন পেপার না সাবমিট করতে পারি,
You will be able to submit.
মানে হচ্ছে শেষ
পারবে,
করলাম
ইজি
বাট
হবে।
না শেষ করলাম বাট
ও আচ্ছা,
ইমেল
হ্যাঁ স্যার, এটা কিন্তু হয় স্যার, মাঝে মাঝে মেল করতে
30
প্রবলেম হয়,
মিনিটে না যায়,
কিন্তু হয় স্যার।
Okay,
ইমেল
listen,
কেমনে দিব, হ্যাঁ কেন
listen. There is
খুব টাইম
one
লাগে।
place in Google Classroom. I don't know you saw that one or not. Yakin Sajjad and Karim Khan. I saw them in that part. That is assignment part. You know, we have two places. Okay, in one place we are giving you the announcement of classes or uploading the things, but there is another place where we are doing a assessment, or we are saying that one in Google format, it's written as assignment. That part, if
That
we
one
are
comes
giving
with
one,
MCQ, right?
yeah, if you are giving questions, you and giving the time limit, then we can get the answers from you within the time limit. Okay, within that time limit. Clear to you? And Yakin Sajjad know about this.
Yes, sir.
So can you please give a briefing about that one, so that your friends can find some ideas about that.
তুই যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট পার্টটাতে ওইখানে যে পিডিএফ এর মধ্যে ক্লিক করলে অন হয়, তারপরে ওই নিচে পেন থাকে, পেন দিয়ে টিক দেওয়া লাগবে জাস্ট এমসিকিউ গুলোতে।
বুঝলাম না, আবার বলতো।
ইকোনমিক্স
Assignment-
এর মতনই তো,
না না না, ইকোনমিক্স এর এটার মতন না।
আরো আলাদা আছে।
ওই যে
অনেক রকম আছে।
আমাদেরকে যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিল না ইসে গুগল ক্লাসরুমে, ওই
হ্যাঁ।
অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট
ও
পার্টটা ওইটার মধ্যে এডিট
ওইগুলিও
করা
তো
লাগবে।
ঝামেলা। ওই
হ্যাঁ,
পেন
ওটা
দিয়ে
ঝামেলা।
যদি আমি মাউস দিয়ে লিখতে যাই কি তেরা হবে এটা ভাবো।
না না,
Structure
ওইখানে
page
কি
তে?
বললে লেখা তো নাই, কারণ এমসিকিউ তো।
সেটা ঠিক
এই কারণেই
আছে, স্যার তো বলে
বলতেছিলাম যে
স্ট্রাকচারও দিবে।
স্ট্রাকচার দিলে ঝামেলা আছে।
হ্যাঁ ওইখানে লেখা যায় না ওরকম ভাবে, কষ্ট হয়।
না, অন্য জায়গায় একটা
দিবা,
টাইপ করে
তখন তুই
তারপরে
আরেকটা
নিয়ে এসে
রাইটিং
পেস্ট
দেখতে
করা
পারবি
লাগবে।
নিচের।
কি বললি কারিম?
তোর রাইটিং তো অনেক স্টাইলের, হয়তো এখন নতুন একটা স্টাইল এসে যাবে কম্পিউটারে তোর রাইটিং এ।
So what you are saying, Yakin, you finish your part, that another place you will write, then give the writing over there.
Sir,
Can you
yes,
please
I
share
am
that one?
telling that, sir, I am telling that it is better not to give structured question because writing takes a lot of time in that format.
Okay, so it's better
Sir,
to
the thing
avoid
is, even if
writing.
we write, you won't even be
Yes,
able
sir.
to read it.
Okay, and
True, though.
listen, there are some subjects you must have to write. there is no option to give MCQ.
Sir, we know English and Bangla. We have to write later.
So what you will do for this?
Sir, we'll
We
write
will
the
write
copy
it
and
in another page and scan
copy
it and
and
give it to
take
the
a pic
teacher.
and we'll send it to the teacher.
Okay, that way.
আচ্ছা আমার একটা প্রশ্ন আছে
So
স্ক্যান
for
কেমনে করো তোমরা
so
Ji?
for physics, it's convenient for you to give the MCQ, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's final then. I will make the question MCQ. You will you'll get the question as MCQ. Okay, all the questions will be MCQ part. Now, any other questions about the syllabus, about anything else?
ও না
Do
এটা
you have
বলতে
anything?
No. No, sir.
মুশি
হ্যাঁ বল
Is it
স্ক্যান
okay?
কেমনে করো তোমরা
Sir, what
কি
is
কি
the
কি
syllabus?
স্ক্যান
Is
কেমনে
it?
করো
Hey, Aisha,
নরমালি
From the static
scanner.
electricity,
Aisha,
sir.
yes sir
Ziba, be here, huh? We are talking
Sir,
about the
from the
syllabus.
static electricity, that things.
Yeah, we have lens, static electricity, that current electricity, DC circuits, and practical electricity. All this. Okay.
This is a very big syllabus.
So what do you think? Is it okay for you? Please speak about the syllabus. Speak. Is it
Sir, it
okay
is
for
too
you?
big to cover.
Okay, it is too big. What about others? Aisha, then Moshi, Karim, Jiba.
Yes, স্যার বলেন স্যার
So do you have any comment about the
নো
syllabus?
স্যার বলেই তো দিলাম
আর
মানে
কমেন্ট পাস
কোশ্চেন ছিল
করা অনেক
বলছি
বাজে জিনিস।
Mm-hmm.
আর
Please.
কমেন্ট পাস করা অনেক বাজে জিনিস।
You should speak specifically that should we keep the syllabus that way or we should decrease the syllabus. That's it. Say
স্যার
specifically.
যেহেতু স্যার এমসিকিউ আই থিংক রাইটিং পার্ট যেহেতু নাই দেন আই থিংক এটা ফাইন যে আর কিছু করা লাগবে বলে আমার মনে হয় না আমার ওপিনিয়ন
Okay. What about Karim? Karim, say what you are saying.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, then Aisha,
জি
the syllabus is fine or we should decrease the syllabus?
তিনটা টপিক না
We have static electricity, lens, current electricity, DC circuit, and practical electricity. Okay, these 5. But I will
Text
give
একটু বেশি
less
হয়ে যায় না
questions.
কারণ
Yeah, I will give less questions from first 2 topic, lens and static electricity. Only 2 questions you will get from there. And rest of the questions you will get from these 3: current electricity, DC circuits, and practical electricity. Okay, because already we have test on those 2. Okay, so that you can focus here more. Ziba, hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is your opinion about the syllabus? Is it fine?
Nothing.
So the way,
Nothing.
okay, the way I said it is fine, that I'll give less questions from the first 2 topic and more questions from the last 3. Okay, is it fine? Hello everyone.
yes sir
So
Okay,
from the last 3 topic.
yeah, current electricity, DC circuits, and practical electricity, there will be more questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Only.
So,
Okay. More questions.
yeah. So I think we are done with the I will what is the conclusion of our discussion? That is, I will make MCQ questions. Okay. And then our syllabus is 5 topics, on 5 topics, but I will give more questions from the last 3 topics. And if there is any problem, you will tell me in the group. You can tell me in the Google Classroom. You can ask me. Okay, clear to you now?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today, right?
Thank you, sir.
If you don't have any more questions, then we will stop our class. We will close our class here. Thank you all for joining. Even today's class recording you will get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell your friends to go through the link so that they can also be benefited. Allah Hafiz everyone.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Alaikum salam.